Welcome. In this video we are going to create Apple logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Draw a circle. Copy the circle and place it next to it. Use Pathfinder tool to combine both the shapes. Select the black arrow from the menu. Click on the shape and select two bottom points of the shape. Click on the square point and drag it down to make an apple shape. Adjust the upper corner of the shape. Now draw a little circle using Shift key. Select both the circles and minus the smaller circle from apple shape using Pathfinder tool. Now draw a circle and make a copy of it. Place it on the circle in this way. Now cut out the middle part of the circle by using Pathfinder tool. Adjust its length and rotate the shape then. Place this on the top of apple shape. Your Apple logo is ready. You can change its color from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you've enjoyed the video. See you in next video.